Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just in my buddy's shop, the Rusty Nut. He's an e-bike mechanic slash mobility mechanic. And today he wanted to show off his brand new Park Tool PRS 33.2 e-bike lift. So this is an electronic lift for old guys that lifts your e-bike up off the ground so you can work on it without having to lift it up manually. As you guys all know about these claw bike holders we've all used for years in the bike industry. Well, here's a mechanized version. So we're just gonna get Tony to set this thing up and show us how it works and give us a little demo. Here is the man.
Hi guys, after operating 4 bike stores over close to 20 years, and then with the recent proliferation of electric bikes, my back, hips, knees, shoulders are not doing
brain,
all
don't forget
well.
Brain.
And brain. So when Park Tool came out with this electric lift, I was intrigued to say the least. I finally bit the bullet because more and more of my clients coming from everywhere are electric bike owners and looking for help. I also work as a contract mechanic for a couple of local bike shops. I'm also a recognized service provider for Rad Power bikes. This thing is great. It'll handle up to 2 bikes if you want to double up. I'm just a single working guy, so I don't worry about that. But the bike's hooked up now, and
so it's just clamped in by the seat post.
Yep.
Like any other.
So obviously the integrity of the seat post connection
and the clamp is important.
Is kind of important.
Or you'll have a e-bike as part of your feet.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Yeah. The other day I had to do a what was I doing? Oh, a pedal cadence sensor, which is in through the bottom of the frame. It was so nice. I was able to lift it right up and get under it, but I put a safety rope on it at that time.
Is that what these hooks are for, Sean?
No, those are just to hang tires or parts or whatever you want to do. Okay. Or yeah, whatever.
So here we are. We've got up down switch, on off switch. Oh. Yeah, that'll happen.
Got a little lock.
Got a little lock over there.
Yeah, yeah. And
wow, look at that.
One of the things I am going to get is a little brace, a little harness there to hold the bars.
To keep the bars straight.
Yeah,
like the old deflopinator on the Ubas we used to have.
Yeah. But, it's so much easier to work on heavy components. And, it's just, I can't say enough. I'm just so happy with it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, I'll put a link under the video in the description of where people can find out information on this thing.
Yeah, Park Tool.
Park Tool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know them well. We've known them for years.
I brought this in from Cycle Babic, one of my major suppliers in Eastern Canada.
Yeah.
And, they were just great.
All right. Well, there you go, guys. So that's the Park Tool PRS 33.2 mechanical electric bicycle lift. If you need one for your bike shop, what does Tony have to say about it?
You can't beat it. Certainly, if you're over several decades, it's a really good idea.
There you go, guys.
Be careful. Be careful. It's a powerful machine. Be cautious. Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you like this video, and we'll try and make some more for you down the road.